Hello boys and girls, today I want to show you a set of sway bar links. All of these are for Mercedes Benz W211, W219 and even R230. They're using the same components. The first is made by Febi. It looks okay. The position of this bushing is correct. The second one is Meyle. It looks okay. The next one is Delphi technologies. If you can compare Meyle and this thing here, the bushing looks okay. It's about rotation of this bushing. Delphi technologies here, and the next is Lemforder. What I see here, they look completely different. Here it's a gloss finish, here it's a matte finish. The next thing is the rotation of the bushing. Here the bushing is not installed correctly, I think. I'm not sure about this. If we take this thing, you can see the Lemforder and Delphi technologies, the rotation of the bushing. I believe if the force is in this direction, the bushing should be installed this way, not like this way. I want to show it. Yeah. Oh. No, this is not correct. These are my old end links. They're Lemforder. You can see the numbering here. The bushings are not installed correctly, I think. Why? Here is the sway bar link installed on a vice grip. These are Lemforder, completely gone after 25,000 kilometers. You can see how easily I can move it with I took random. In this case it's Febi. It's very solid without any problem. This should be the best, but I'm not sure about this. Not about this part. These were torqued correctly, but the bushings are gone.